how to check and delete Google Play Store purchase history. So if you want to check or if you want to delete the Google Play Store purchase history, then first of all open up your Google Play Store, and then you can simply go for the upper right corner which has that profile icon, and then you can go for payments and subscription, and here you will have four options, right? You will have budget and history on the third option. You can go for that, tap on that, and here you will have all of your history, your purchase history. So let me tell you one thing, that you can see your purchase history but you can't delete it because we don't have the delete option. So if you really want to delete your purchase history, then there is only one way. You can simply delete your Google account. That is the only way. And after deleting your Google account or after deleting your Google Play Store account, your purchase history will be deleted. That's the only way, but we don't have any other option instead of that to delete the purchase history. You can only see your purchase history. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.